Well, hello there, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the channel if you are already subscribed. Before I get into what I want to talk about today, I just want to say thank you for being a part of my channel. Without you, I definitely wouldn't be continuing doing what I'm doing, and all this is just to say that I'm super close to 100,000 subscribers as of this recording. And if you want to be a part of our community, just hit that subscribe button. It's free. But in this video, I want to give you another little update from my last video, which was about 4 weeks ago. So I've had a few people asking me how I've been doing on the diet since I got back onto it. Between that last video and this video, we had Valentine's Day at the restaurant, which is one of the busiest days we have there. And it's my responsibility to come up with a menu to make sure that people actually want to eat it and to cook all the special items that we have on the menu, which most of it was specials. And for the most part, I've been pretty good. I made a post on Instagram talking about what I've been going through getting back on the diet and how I felt. And if you didn't watch the other video, I got back on because I started having some stomach issues around July of last year. And it came to a head at the end of December. I was like, man, I just got to really stick to it again because I know this will help. It's helped me before, so I know it can help again. But what I've experienced during this time is like a 75 to 80% reduction in my stomach issues. I'd really like to go to a specialist to find out what's going on, because I still have issues from time to time. During the week of Valentine's, like I said, I had to cook all the special items, and of course I had to taste all these items to make sure they tasted good, which I didn't go off the rails on anything. I did really well with just tasting what I needed to taste, and I didn't do any snacking the whole time. I was proud of myself for doing that, but I guess over the course of the week of prepping and getting ready, all the little tastes just kind of built up. I started having stomach issues again on Sunday, and that was 5 days ago, which I'm starting to get back to normal now because I've been, I haven't had to like taste a bunch of food. I've literally just been eating ground beef, eggs, a little chicken, and some cheese here and there. I've gotten to the point where I just don't want to take medicine for any of this because I know almost all of these are just Band-Aids for an underlying problem. Roughly 5 weeks ago, I quit taking the omeprazole I was prescribed. And over the course of this week, I've tried my best to just not take any Gas X or Pepto, because that's what I've been taking to kind of mitigate any of the symptoms. But the past 2 days, I haven't taken anything, and I've still had some symptoms here and there. They seem to flare up, and I'm trying to pinpoint what's causing those to flare up, and I haven't really found it yet. But I'm almost certain that I will find it just from being diligent and seeing what I eat and how it corresponds with how I feel. And that's the beauty of this diet. It gives you a break from eating so many different things that you have a chance to see, like, oh, if I eat this, this happens. If I eat this, this happens. Which I have a few of those triggers that I already know that cause issues with me, and I avoid those foods, and it keeps me feeling pretty good 99% of the time. But besides all the stomach issues I was having, the other benefit that I've had is that I'm down about 18 pounds still right now. I've been stalled out for the past month, and I'm not really too sure why. I think Valentine's Day probably had a little bit to do with it. But over the past 3 days or so, my weight has started to go down still. I'm just about to be under 330 for the first time in roughly 3 years, which I'm really excited to finally be at. Because there was a lot of times in the past 3 years where I was just like, man, I don't even know if I should keep doing this. There's always been something in my head that just tells me the right way to go, even though I try to deviate all the time because I get bored, quote unquote. When in reality, I just really have a lot of stress that's hard to cope with sometimes. And food's my coping mechanism, unfortunately. And I've been working on accepting that that is the case, and it has been the case pretty much my whole life, which is why I'm a bigger man. But all I can really do is try to fix it. But anyways, I just stopped for a few minutes, but I'm just going to continue what I'm doing because it's been working. It's been doing what I wanted it to do. But that's not the only thing I want to talk about in this video. I'm actually headed to a cool place right now. Carnivore Companion has gotten a new packer, and that's all thanks to you. What I'm doing right now is I'm headed to my co-packer to pick up some samples, and I'm really excited to see what they're looking like. So I'll see you when we get there. Actually, I got there roughly 20 hours ago yesterday, and we'll show you them. And they look almost spot on. I don't know if the color's right because I'm outside, but these look and taste nearly spot on, and I am super excited about that. We've been making these ourselves for the past several years. This is a smokestack, by the way. It got to the point where we just couldn't handle it anymore, and just having this helping hand get this done will help us to like just not only serve you better, but to get into stores so it's easier for you to have access to these products, and I'm just very grateful for that. I would taste them now for you live on camera, but it's about 9 in the morning and I'm not feeling like salt loading and spice loading my morning. But just trust me when I say they're surprisingly spot on, especially with the first round of samples, and I'm very excited. There's a guy walking over there. Hope he's not thinking I'm weird. Anyways, I think that's going to do it for this video. If you have any questions about what I've been going through, or if you're in a similar boat to me, need some guidance on where to go, people to follow. If you've seen things that I've done that you might find intriguing that you'd like to do too, just leave a comment. And yeah, as always, check out my company, Carnivore Companion. Links down below. Use code CarnivorousChef for 20% off your order. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends, and I'll see you next time.